Welcome back to another video, guys. And in today's episode, I'm going to be telling y'all how to start with blenders. So first of all, you press A and then delete to delete everything that ever existed. So then you're going to press Shift A to create a new object. You're going to go to Mesh, and we're going to want a monkey, the monkey. And you're going to choose the monkey. So I'm going to try and make a claw simulation with this. So we're going to add a new mesh, a plane, size it, and let's do 2. And then you're going to press G, you're going to click the Y. Wow, look at that. Control 2 does that, apparently. Ooh, should we have it round? Let's size it up by 2 again. So, the size is 4. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to go to the -Y. We're going to move it up, Z, Control to snap it, and get it up there. And then we're going to go down here where there's modifiers. First of all, how I did that was Control 2, but I don't want to do it again. It's just Control 2. Control 2. That's it. So then we're going to go to generate. Nope, I'm not trying to go there. I'm trying to go to physics and trying to do cloth. Now this, we need to add collision. So yeah, and then we can go in here and we can subdivide. I'd only hit it like, I don't know, twice. That still looks a little too much. So you can see and watch as it falls. Oh crap. So I say we subdivide it again. You can really test it as many times as you want, but I think that looks great. So I think we're only going to put that at like 150 frames. Using that, I hold, click, or you can just type it at 150. So yeah, it's pretty good looking, but here's the thing. We still need to add something. First of all, we want to add color, and we want some more stuff. So for this, we want a good background. So S5, scale it by 5. Add a plane, which I just chose the add menu, but I would like you to use Shift A because I've already gotten into the habit of not. So again, G, Z, Control. G, Z, Control. And eventually we're going to add a stand for that, but not right now, because right now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the modeling mode, press 2 to switch to vertices, and then extrude, click Z, and let's do 5. Is that really not enough? Okay, 6. No. 7. Don't you dare say 6, 7. Oh yeah, this needs to be rotated now. Press the RC 180. So now it looks like that, and our camera will be facing there. So now we've got this nice animation here. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is add a light. Let's do a point light. That sounds like fun. GY. Sorry, I messed up. Go to -X, G, Y. And we're gonna do control. Hold up, I'm messing with the settings here. Yeah, let's just do increment. Just leave the settings. I would just leave the settings as they are. And now we're going to GZ control up to about there. And now we're going to go to X, rotate around the X. Not sure what I'm doing. Control Y. Sorry. Gotta move this up. Like that. Right. And then we need to rotate X. So rotate. Trying to do. No idea why it keeps moving it. X. It's not really rotating it. Not sure how to rotate it. Not sure why it's rotating. Not rotating. That's 4 and 3, and then rotate. It's not really rotating. Wow, that sucks. Well, looks like we'll just have to use the sunlight. Actually, no. Spotlight. Haha. There. And then we're gonna G control. So 3. And then we're just gonna scoot that back a bit. Then we're gonna move it again with control. So then we go down to here and we choose the power, which is gonna be like 100. No, let's do 1,000. 'cause that'd be cool. And then we're just gonna Control C, Control V that. Just like that. Then we're gonna change the color of this. So we're gonna do new. And we're just gonna put it about, you can choose whatever color you want. But I'm gonna go with this reddish, this really light so then for this you can do whatever color you want. I'm gonna do red, and then we're going to go into modeling because it's time for big brain, and we're gonna go and press 3 to go into faces mode. And then we're going to select these by shift and then click to multi-select. So then we're going to go to material, add a new one. And you can name it if you want, but I usually don't name them. And then we click assign. And he's got black eyes now. Oh, also, you can add as much detail as you want. But I'm only going to do this. New one, just have them white. Assign it like that. They actually look like eyes now. If you want, you can assign this black. So assign. I think that looks good. And then you. And now that looks super good. Soup's good. And then this one, it's just gonna be a blanket, so it's gonna be like a blanket. So I do blue and watch it. I'd say it looks really good. Now it's time for the ultimate thing. We're gonna add a camera. So add the camera. And then we're going to copy this C position over here with Control C, Control V again. And then the rotation, I'm going to do 9, 0, 0, 0. Although for rotation X, I'm going to do 90. Like that. And now if you go into camera view, you get to see some of that. So now we can adjust the focal length. To like 45 meters. Hold up. 35 meters. Yeah, it looks good. And then we can just size this by 2. Creating a really good big background. And now it gets covered with a blanket. So that has been a great tutorial with y'all. But one last thing we have to do. So we have to go into render. Nope. Output. You get to choose somewhere. I'm gonna put it on my documents. In the documents. File format, FF, MPEG video, because you want a video, and then render animation, which is Control F12 to render the animation. And just watch it render. Slowly renders. So it's still rendering. It just hit frame 60. So it's getting closer for sure. Yep, it's almost there. I set it to 150. Y'all can set it to whatever you want, but I like 150. It's almost there. It's at 100, so it's at 100 something. Ooh, 120. There's like 30 more to go. Ooh, so close. Ooh, 20 more to go. Let's go. Yes, we're so there, bro. Okay, and it's done. Now we can go. Sorry, I have all these open. So now we can go to our documents and find it somewhere. Not sure where it is. Is that it? Yeah, and then you can find it and then rename it. Let's call this blankets falling on monkey. So, yeah. And if you want to see the actual video on YouTube, no, I'm not going to post it. But as you can see, looks very good. In my opinion, it just looks great. No. Sorry, it's internet. Yeah. Played it a little too long. Yay. In my opinion, that just looks really good, so. Yeah. Looks really good to me. And that's it for this video, so see you in the next.